Solar panel setup depends on charge controller specification and panel specification. Remember that inverter or solar panels may damage under these conditions. With adding up solar panels in a series, don't increase maximum voltage given by inverter specification. With adding up solar panels in parallel, don't increase maximum ampere given by inverter specification. When we use parallel and serial connection. On the inverter specification, maximum voltage is 450 and maximum ampere is 18. If panel specification has under 9 amps, then we can use 2 strings of parallel connection, otherwise we go for a series connection. Maximum panel with a 5 kilowatt inverter. If we divide 5000 watts with 312 watts, then 16 panels are required. 2 string parallel with 8 panels each in series. If we divide 5000 watts with 416 watts, then 12 panels are required. 2 string parallel with 6 panels each in series. If we divide 5000 watts with 500 watts, then 10 panels are required. All 10 panels are connected in series. There are 2 types of solar panel mostly used: polycrystalline and monocrystalline. Polycrystalline, also known as poly, and monocrystalline, also known as mono. There are 4 grades in solar panels: A, B, C, D. A grade panel has less bend, no color shades, no bus bar missing, no scratches, no watermarks, longer life up to 25 years, better efficiency under sunshine. What is polycrystalline? Polycrystalline contains many silicon cells. These panels are best used in hot environment. Solar panel price mostly calculated in 1 watts. Poly solar panels price per watt around the world. What is monocrystalline? Monocrystalline contains single silicon cell. These panels are best used in cold environment. Monosolar plates price per watt around the world. Monosolar panel had many subcategories: monopuck, monopuck half-cut, monopuck bifacial, multi-bus bar. What is monopuck? Passivated emitter layer on the back side to provide more efficiency and work better on a low light and more heat resistance. What is monopuck half-cut solar panels? One cell divided into 2 to make better performance in heat. It's helped to reduce shade losses. What is multi-bus bar? Multi-bus bar or wire connected with each cell. It helps decrease resistance and increase power to the peak.